Alright, so real quick, I just wanted to go over my trades from today, July 18th, 2023. So unfortunately, this is what happened with Nas. And long story short, I got stopped at a break even, but I wanted to show um, my analysis on this real quick. So basically, Nas had boosted off of this little imbalance right here it had on the 4 hour chart, as you can see right here, and then on the 1 hour, I did have this marked up, but it never ended up reaching. But I kept in mind that um, it was 10 a.m. or 7 a.m. my time, and we did have on the 1 minute this market structure shift. And what I saw in this market structure shift was we had this little spike down, which is like a liquidity grab right here, and then market structure shift up, and then we left back this little fair value gap right here. I just want to make sure I'm sound. Okay, sound is good. All right. And I put my stop loss below the last bearish candle because technically, if we are going to be bullish, we will not disrespect bullish order flow, and we will respect it. We will disrespect bearish order flow. So, like, disrespecting bearish order flow would basically be you see this bullish engulfing, this bullish order block, whatever. Um, we see this high right here got disrespected. That's disrespecting bearish order flow and respecting bullish order flow by, for example, this fair value gap right here, and then it's bullying, whatever. And then so I put my stop loss right here, and take profit was originally around over here for like a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2. I was looking for a 1 to 2 on this trade. Um, and I actually ended the stream around here or some shit, and then I ended up getting stopped out prematurely at break even. So that sucks for Nasdaq, and um, I knew it wanted to go higher because I just look at the Nasdaq right now, bro. Just look at it. Just take a look at it. We're breaking structure up to the upside. We're leaving gaps. We're filling them in. I just knew that Nas wanted to go up, and look what it's fucking doing right now. And for EU, man, EU is, I hate EU so much, but I love her as well. But so it was 10 a.m. I was too busy fucking with Nas, and so I missed this first entry right here, and that's where I would have gotten my like a good trade right here. 8 pip stop loss, 16 pip. Take profit 1 or 2 smashed. I would have waited a fucking while, but eventually it smashed. But I ended up getting in over here at the top of that fair value gap. I didn't put my stop loss right here because I wanted to give it some breathing room in case. So I put it down here, the second to last, just 1, 2 bearish candles before it. Because technically those are order blocks, and like I said, if it's respecting bullish order flow, it's gonna respect these bearish candles right here and not close below them. And I wanted my 1 to 2, so that's why I didn't close up here either. So basically, I waited for an hour and a half for nothing to get stopped out, like right over here. It is what it is. I was really happy when it was up here, and I thought I was going to take out the high, but it never did, and that's tough. But yeah, like days like these, it's the market reminding me that I have to take partials. Like if I would have just taken half here and let the rest run, that would have been fucking awesome. And same with NQ, taking half and let the rest run. I would have gone, my runner would have gone to stop at break even, but that's fucking fine. Like, taking partials is very important in this game, especially if you're on the 1 minute, because shit can reverse very quickly, just like it can go in your direction very quickly. So that's just something you gotta keep in mind when you're trading the 1 minute, and especially Nas, bro, because Nas is a piece of shit sometimes, and it will disrespect you like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something out of it, and I'll see you in tomorrow's recap.